Okay, you guys, I am in Homegoods right here. So I don't think we've seen this skeleton mommy here by Spooky Night. She's gonna be 25. Her dress is pretty detailed. There is that fortune teller lady. I think she just lights up. Oh, that's this one. I haven't seen this one. Normally they're like a tall one. Huh. That's 15. And then the fortune teller. But yeah, I think she just lights up there. More snow globes. Same Medusas. Mini versions to choose from. And then you know that guy with the skull, $29.99. You got the RIP in there. And this one with the feather in her hat, I feel like she's new. Here, there's actually one closer. Make sure there's nobody near me. She's 50. By Well Dressed Home. And you know what? I haven't seen a lot of Catherine collections. I've been seeing a lot of Well Dressed Home. And they're pretty detailed too. Like, look at the gauze dress. It's like a little layering and the bow. And she has like a choker too. It's actually kind of cool looking. Also like how they show like her ribs. It's not just like plain white or whatever, and there's some shadowing in there. I don't know. I like little detail like that. Okay, same dog ghosts. We have the owls. More ghosts. This big guy right here is 25. This was selling out in a different location. There is a larger one too. This one's going to be 15. The birds. They're so funny. These are $12.99 here. The radio is back. Haven't seen too much of the radio. I think I found the jukebox like one time. This is going to be 20. The Highland cow. Just heard a lady said she's tired of the Highland cow. She said they're ugly. Kind of like this jack-o'-lantern. He's like full of tin. He's 17. And then $12.99 for this metal one. This is kind of cool looking. And you have the green. Oh gosh, see, it's like at the edge. They're all gonna fall off. A couple of mirrors here. I don't know if I've seen this cake one though. $12.99. And the candle stands. I put this back. Happy Halloween, garland. You got the ghost and bat. Those are cute too. I still like that one with the eyeball on top. These are 17. And then everything is, you know, Sesame Street. A lot of the Sesame Street is not really moving. Every time I go to any location, they have a lot of Sesame Street. Okay, I'm hoping we'll find some new dishes. Oh, I like you. Like your face, man. The little butter dishes around. The wine bottle holder. I don't know if I've seen the bride yet, the two brides. Maybe I have. She's a little white cat. I don't know if I've seen this. I didn't notice she was supposed to be kneeling. 20. Okay, then behind over here, just tons of ghosts and mirrors. No, he's cute. Little fall guy. Yeah, and everything's mirrored. There's so many mirrors. So if you're in the market for mirrors, everywhere I go, there's tons. You can find him. He kind of reminds me a little bit of Baymax. A Baymax ghost. Just because he's just like there. This one I do like though. The Neck of the Woods. Just like they change colors. Oh, you know what? I don't think I've seen this little girl. She's $12.99. You have the Anna Lee. These are $17. And these are $12.99 and $17. These are $15. Look at the little face too. It's a little one. So I did find a Jack-o'-lantern fairy by Mark Robert. This is $50.
Yeah, he's actually kind of cool.
So this guy is the North Pole Halloween.
I kind of like these. I don't know why. I kind of like these ones.
They're so whimsical.
Very whimsical.
I know a lot of people love to collect them. But yes, this one is North Pole Halloween elf.
I don't know why
And I believe they're all 50, yeah.
I don't know why he reminds us of our friend that works here.
And this one's the Pumpkin Patch Fairy. Okay, and he has wings. Oh, can we just look at that?
No.
No?
These are pretty neat.
He has like blue.
Yeah, I like these. I don't know why.
These are kind of cool. This one's the pirate one.
A pirate.
This is the North Pole spooky one, the one we saw in the cabinet. The spooky pirate elf. Oh, look at that.
Oh, that's cool.
He's cool looking. He's only 50.
I like his clothes. He kind of reminds me of Sir Didymus from Labyrinth. But just as a person, you know.
He's cool looking. Every time I see this pumpkin, I do love it. I feel like I want to get it. I'm still unsure yet. 15. But he reminds me, do you guys remember that one scene from Mrs. Doubtfire where they were waiting for their babysitter and they were watching that one clay guy and he was like shaping his face and everything? He reminds me of that. I don't know why, like I could shape the pumpkin. And then more plushies, $12.99. This Ghost on Top by Rachel Zoe is $12.99. Get little doggies. This little Stitch one. This Bone Daddy guy. Oh, I kind of like him. He is $29.99. And look at all these pillows. Oh, look, there's a ghost skateboarding. What? Badminton, skateboarding. There's tons behind me. 20. This one is just like maroon with little pumpkins on it. Got the ghost and the candle. You have a haunted house. Spider. So on this end cap, more faces. Oh yeah. Does this guy have a face? It's gonna be $150 for that large one. Let's Hang. I like this too. $20. Cat pumpkin. There's one Highland cow guy. Let's see. He is 15. That's 15, and all these pillows, you know, if I start pulling them out. But I feel like I've shown most of these pillows. They're like that vintage vibe. Oh, I love that Anna Lee. You know, I love that pumpkin. You know what? I haven't. Oh, I have. I was gonna say I haven't seen the Michael's Halloween vintage. I did. They did that circus one, right? Martha Stewart right here, 35. Poison apple. Oh, there she is. She matches perfectly, and she's pointing. I kind of like her. I don't have one like her, with the black veil. This is her up top.
Yeah.
She's cool looking.
Yeah, we were at one store last night. My mom was looking at the witches and said those are neat. I said, wait till you see Homegoods.
Oh yeah.
Homegoods are so much nicer. Yeah.
Which one? Oh yeah, because my mother-in-law's never gone in these stores ever. So it's like a whole new experience for her. Okay, we have fall over here. Turkeys. Then I feel like these are candles. Okay, we have Vampire Kiss, the little mix here. The Vampire Kiss is $7.99. Blood Orange Margarita. That's kind of cool, right? And you guys, I've shared this ice bucket before, but it's like, this is like so nice. Kind of wish they had it in silver, but they don't. You have the Ghost in Marble, the shakers, and you know that Bone Daddy. Again, we need a whole jazz one. Need a little Bone Daddy Butler, maybe. And this is $50 here. Okay, I don't think I've seen this one, but 15. We have the Ghost Plate, Boo, more mugs. Oh, there's a witch one? Witch and Bat for $5.99. And all the little creamers, tons of little creamers. Like, you're not missing out on this location. These are $12.99. I do miss seeing the evil Krina on Halloween. Do they have a new one? Because I did hear that one really good one they got rid of. Like this guy. He's $5.99. It's like a corgi one by Strawberry Street. More Ghost Butter. Witch's Brew. Okay, then more fall. We got the butter dish. Little fall and Halloween mixed together. That was it for Halloween. 7. The acorn jar will be 15, all in glass. These are 7. The little fall bear one. This one's cute. That's 5. Is that a girl one? These are 10. It's Winnie the Pooh fall one. The Snoopy in the glass. These are cute too.
Hey, Tommy. How are you?
These are $12.99. They're cute. Okay, do you see a bear cookie jar to match with that spoon rest right here? He's only $12.99 on that one. The turkey one we've seen.
Yes, they will.
A lot of their glassware is gone. Wow. Oh, you know what? I don't think I've ever seen this one with the painted bit. 7. They got the boo trick or treat in here. Here's a glass jack one. Oh gosh, that's broken. 20 bucks. You know what? I'm gonna take that one to the front because once you pick it up, it's just all broken. I don't need somebody to cut themselves. Then we have Blast. Let's see. Not 30 leaning. It looks like some of these are gonna be 40. And I have the green one. Oh, can you imagine making a good dish on the stove with that? I really want one of these pumpkin dishes. They have these little critters too. These are so cute. They're all 7. And there's a fox guy. Is that a dumpling thing? A steamer? A casserole steamer? I don't know if I trust it in glass. Though, we got the fall pasta here. And sprinkles. Funny, I was just looking at Halloween sprinkles. We were at Walmart the other day and I was like looking for, my daughter was doing something with like friends. They were like, there was no Halloween stuff. We're looking for Halloween sprinkles. It's kind of cute too. So, get your room bright. Candles, $15 for these. 20 for the pumpkin. So here's just a lot of pumpkins. You know what? Ever since that one video, the previous one with like the bat candles, those are like the most amazing candles I've seen. I haven't seen anything quite like them yet. Nowhere else. We got spiced pumpkin, sandalwood. This is gonna be 8. More of the black and white green pumpkin, a jack, the soup ones, which are coming very handy. Not quite soup weather. We really don't get soup weather till like after December. I do like this one with the cobwebs on them. I find out for you. $12.99. And then on this end cap, I believe most of this is like by Blue Sky, which we did see before. They're gonna make my way back up front. Look at the, like that orange one. They have a large teal one. Oh, that's really cool too. Very nice cake dome. Alright, you guys, I think this might do it for like fall and Halloween in this location. I feel like this might be 50 like the other one, but I love the large ones. Alright, I think this is it. Let me go around. Let me go around. Needle felting, you have charms, well, Scary Night, puzzles, the Spooky Doodle Club coloring book. Okay, you guys, please stay safe and I will see all of you in the next video.